Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is your science educator Miss Nisha Sharma.
Force, work and energy. Our today's topic is force. Have you ever been on a swing? What makes the swing go up? You push the swing with your legs and body, and the swing moves. Push or pull makes an object move. If you want to move a table, you apply force on it. If the force is sufficient, the table moves. Wind moves a branch of a tree because wind has force. Flowing water moves a boat because water has a force. A bull pulls a cart because it applies force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull. A push or a pull that could cause change in an object's motion is called force. Force is a push or pull that cause a movement in the object. Push. Push means moving away the things. Pull means moving things towards you. Effects of a force. A force can affect the things in three ways. Number 1. A force can change the shape of an object. Number 2. A force can change the speed of an object, making it faster or slower. Number 3. A force can change the direction of an object. A force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object on which the force is applied. As you can see, if you squeeze a can, then it will change its shape. Force can change the speed of a moving object. If a force is applied to a moving object, the object can speed up or slow down or come to stop. As you can see in this picture, that the cyclist is applying force on pedals to move the cycle faster. In the similar way, if he applies less force on pedals, then the cycle will move slower. So we can say force applied on object decides that whether to speed up or slow down or to stop a thing. We can take example of a goalkeeper. Goalkeeper puts its force to stop a moving ball. Force can change the direction of a moving object. We can take example of cricket. Bowler is throwing the ball. The ball changes its direction and moves away from the batter when batsman hits it with the equal force. In our daily life also, we are using force. A man uses force to move a stationary lawnmower. A footballer uses a force to change the direction of a motion of a ball. A cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal his bicycle and increase its speed. A baker uses a force on his dough to shape it into a curry puff. So this is our topic for today. Thank you.